I've been growing some potatoes on my driveway, so I'm just going to see if we got any spuds. Exciting this. I know it sounds really sad, but it's true. Right. 1, 2, 3. Four, 5, 6. Might have these for my tea tonight. The main reason that I bought it here instead of at home is I'm not bothered about there being messier because it's an allotment, but I don't want it all over my driveway. I can reuse the soil here as well, even though it's absolute crap. I don't think this is going to be a good haul, guys. It's mainly gravel and like tiny, teeny little potatoes. Oh my god, the size of these potatoes. To be fair, I understand why they're so small potatoes, because the potatoes that I actually put in were... Oh, that's a decent one. And I want to take the potatoes out, because otherwise, if you put those in your compost, you'll end up getting like spuds forever growing in your beds. I don't want that. What a disappointing potato haul. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's one. Look at the size of these. Oh my god. I'm putting them in the basket and then they're literally just bouncing back out again because they're that small. Right. Let's get rid of these. So that was the seed potato, basically like a slice of a chitted potato. So I'm not surprised that they're quite small. But they were potatoes that were just looking a bit weird. So I just thought, you know what? Let's just see if I can grow something with these. Some of them are like a little reddish colour as well. Is that normal? What does that mean if they're red? Bloody hell, what's that? Oh, that's a bit of a random piece of potato. Oh, so these are a bit better sizes. When I say better sizes, I mean in comparison to the diddy ones. I'll have to look up why these have gone pink. Is that a good or a bad thing? Oh, there's some big uns-ish. Oh, these ones don't look amazing. I bet the potato hole that was in the compost I get a better hole than this. The soil for this was so bad. It was monkey soil. To be fair, there was loads of leaves in it, but there was like gravel and crap. I think that's it. So my battery looks like it's about to die and I'm still digging for miniature potatoes here. Oh, there's one. I'm just getting little didders, but it's potatoes, isn't it? What are you gonna do? Some of these are a little bit... Like potatoes are like the never ending, like do they ever decompose? Like can you ever like not have potatoes growing? Do they just keep on like growing even when they're supposed to be dying? And I think that's it. It does feel quite satisfying to feel through the soil though. The hole. I don't even think it's worth counting. Is it even worth counting? Chucked them in the air fryer with a bit of salt and pepper and some herbs, and they tasted quite nice. It just felt like the right thing to do, to give the didders a bit of a purpose in life. But yeah, I'll be growing potatoes again, but I won't be doing it from
food scraps, I'll be doing it from actual proper potatoes, or potatoes that they could actually get some nutrients from. It was literally little tiny slithers that I'd cut off. I should have just bunged the whole potato in and just gone for it. But as I say, first potato haul, I'm sure there'll be better ones next time. See you on the next one.